Everyone, welcome back to Cannon Coffee. Here we have an Expobar. This machine was brought in because the group head did not have any pressure at all. And what we need to do is a complete overhaul for the assembly inside of here. All of the gaskets and springs and the little jet inside here was clogged and no water could actually get through. So, place everything. It's all functioning great now. And we're going to give it a little test. See the pressure build. There we go. Made it to 8 bar. Nice little pour. Stop there, just short shot 2 ounces. Good release through the back flush. And here, let's do some steam too. Alright, there you have it. Expobar working great. Thanks for tuning in to Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.